Hello everyone. This class I'm going to teach a lesson, The Gift of the Maggie. Gift of the Maggie is a short story written by the noted American author O. Henry. It was first published in 1906 as part of an anthology of short stories called The 4 Million. The story is known worldwide. The Gift of the Maggie begins at the small and flat of James, namely Jim and Della, young on the day before Christmas. Della has just finished paying the bills and finds that all she has left to spend on a present for Jim is $1.87. At first she bemoans her situation as the narrator takes note on the broken mail and doorbell, the small glass mirror and the grey cat walking across the grey fence in the grey backyard. Della then begins to search for the perfect present for him. After being disappointed by the gifts she sees because they just are not good enough, she goes from shop to shop looking for just the right watch chain until she last finds a handsome watch platinum chain that is perfect. It costs $21. Della buys it and returns home with $0.87 left over. Jim comes home right on the schedule, and as soon as he stopped in shocking because he saw the Della without hair, long beautiful hair. Della does not know what to make of his reaction. He is not angry or sad or disgusted, just short of surprised and confused. He had bought her a gift to go with her beautiful hair, and now she had no hairs to put them in. Then Della remembers her gift for Jim and gives it to him to cheer up him. But it does not. Jim tells her that in order to get enough money to buy the combs, he had to sell his watch. Then Jim smiles and says that they should keep the gift to remind themselves just how much they love one another. The story ends with a storyteller comparing Jim and Della's gift to the gifts of the Maggie, the three wise men who are said to have brought the first Christmas gift to the baby Jesus. We are told that even though the main character would seems to be very foolish, as they gave up their most valuable possession and were not left completely useless items, because Jim and Della had to sacrifice their most precious belongings in order to obtain these gifts. They showed that their love was far more valuable to them than any possession could ever possible. The story of Gift of the Maggie displays powerful themes of love, sacrifice, and concept of true value and worth. This has helped make it to the timeless classic it has come to be. This is a very short and explanation of Gift of the Maggie lesson, which is compressed by the short story. Thank you.